another nigga drop. One less on the earth, cause the Glocks had the burst, leaving the family in pain, in tears in their eyes. It makes them say, damn, why my baby had to die? You turn on the news and it's another black death. It makes me think, man, I could be next. Black on black crime, man, that shit ain't even cool. Get drunk, get bombed, and wanna act a fucking fool. You killed that nigga cause he was from a different set. Now you doing life with no parole, ain't that a biatch? All because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, bodies drop. All because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, bodies drop. All because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, and they drop. You can't stand the heat, get your ass out the fucking streets. That's how it is in 95, really go G. Young ass niggas carry straps in they backpack. They get caught in the mix, they let loose the whole clip. I heard back in the days you has to go fist the cups, whip a nigga ass just to show him what's up. The next day your best friends and y'all playing games, but nowadays in the 96 all that damn shit done changed. Fools will kill you, take your life, put a gun to your head. End of discussion, motherfucker, enough said. I don't know what the hell's going on. Another day, another sad motherfucking song. All because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, bodies drop. All because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, and they drop. Jack moves, smoking fools. You know niggas posted up, do a drive-by do. See niggas dying by the dozen every day. You need to listen closely to what I say. Homicides and murders is all I see. I say it's all I hear about when I watch TV. Some crazy shit in Oklahoma, it's a damn shame. Blew up a whole motherfucking building, man. The world's coming to an end, and this ain't no lie. Step a foot outside, and you risking your life. It's like, what can I do? My ass can't help because I'm thinking about surviving and not being killed. Because the Glocks pop, or because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, nigga. Or because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, nigga. Or because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop, nigga. All because the Glocks go pop. When the Glocks go pop, bodies drop.